Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Lawmatics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Lawmatics. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Lawmatics homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will now see fields prompting you for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check both entries to ensure accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. If your email and password are correct, click on the Login button again. After a brief loading period, you should be redirected to your Lawmatics dashboard. Congratulations, you are now logged into Lawmatics. If you encounter any issues, verify your internet connection and try again. For further assistance, consult the help section on the Lawmatics website. Now you can start managing your legal practice efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.